Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade ZoomInfo for improved sales intelligence. Full guide. Begin by logging into your ZoomInfo account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the settings icon, often found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. Under the settings menu, look for the upgrade or subscription option. Select the upgrade option to view available plans. Review the different plans to find one that best suits your sales intelligence needs. Consider factors such as the number of users, data access, and additional features. Once you've selected a suitable plan, click on the corresponding upgrade button. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and proceed to payment. Enter your payment information and verify its accuracy. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your upgrade. Click on the Submit or Confirm button to complete the upgrade process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your upgrade was successful. Log out and log back into your account to access the new features. Take some time to explore the upgraded functionalities. Utilize the enhanced sales intelligence tools to improve your outreach strategy. Gather insights from the new data to refine your sales approach. Regularly check for updates or new features to maximize the benefits of your upgrade. Engage with the customer support for any questions or issues post-upgrade. Analyze your sales performance regularly to measure the impact of your new tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.